Happening right now, more than 250 miles above the Earth. A Spokane astronaut is making her new home at the International Space Station. A Gonzaga Prep graduate, along with a Canadian astronaut and a Russian cosmonaut, launched into outer space today from Kazakhstan. Annie McLean graduated from G-Prep in 1997. She was in the ROTC program at Gonzaga before going to the U.S. Military Academy at West Point. McLean was selected by NASA in 2013, and now she is leaving the Earth behind, at least for a while.
Throttling up.
Riding 930,000 pounds of thrust.
And liftoff.
Spokane native Lieutenant Colonel Anne McLean left Earth's atmosphere for the first time.
30 seconds in, everything's still looking good.
The Soyuz rocket launched from Kazakhstan, headed to the International Space Station.
This morning we just saw her take off, and then now we're just seeing her dock at the International Space Station. So yeah, it's an amazing moment, making history, yeah.
Back in Spokane, where McLean grew up, students at her alma mater, Gonzaga Prep, watched as the woman who walked the same halls as they do reached her new home 250 miles above the Earth.
It's kind of crazy to see like a normal human who's been in our shoes, sitting in our own seats, to do something so crazy.
2 years ago, when gravity was still in full effect for the astronaut, she spoke to students at G-Prep.
She just talked about how the math and science behind what she does, and how the prep education prepared her for her career.
A career she's wanted since she knew that space existed.
I've wanted to be an astronaut since I was 3 years old. That's when I first told my mom that I wanted to be an astronaut.
And today, McLean achieved that dream, docking with the space station 6 hours after launch.
First out is NASA's Anne McLean.
On the same Soyuz rocket that she grew up writing about.
When I was in kindergarten, I wrote my first very poorly written book on going to space on the Soyuz vehicle.
Can't even imagine the feeling of relief that must have gone over everyone in the aircraft when they hooked and stuff. It's incredible.
McLean will now spend the next 6 months investigating what it could be like for humans to take longer flights to the moon and eventually to Mars.
It's just amazing to see how far she's come from Spokane, Washington.